Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade Metal Fury Random Booster 9 unboxing to end off my collection for Metal Fight. For Metal Fury. Let's get into it. I already know which one it is, and yes, it is the final guide to my collection. And I won't be putting stickers on just yet, but yeah. Oh, just there we go. And now they actually separate. I know they did. Okay. Let's get them. Yeah, for sure. Or whatever. Oh, okay. Okay, now I did. Or she. I'm not sure. And of course, I'll be leaving down in the description box the seller I bought from for all the videos. So, yeah. Definitely check them out. If I remember. There we go. And another wide flat. Okay. I have a lot of wide flats. Good. So, yeah, look at this. Oh, God. Look at that green. Oh, God. Brand new. Oh. This will be the second episode. And here's the stickers again. And you'll be seeing a full picture of these guys soon. So stay tuned. I mean, maybe. But yeah. There we go. Here's the final Bay 4 Metal Fight. And here's the order these guys go in. So yeah, for a second. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.